Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Dropbox integrations for uploads in no-code tools step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Dropbox account. Navigate to the Dropbox App Center. Search for the desired no-code tool integration, such as Zapier or Integromat. Select the integration you want to install. Click on the Install or Connect button. Follow any prompts to authorize Dropbox access. Once authorized, proceed to your no-code tools dashboard. Locate the Integrations or Automation section. Search for the Dropbox integration you just installed. Click to create a new workflow or scenario. Select the action that pertains to file uploads. Choose your Dropbox account from the list. Define the trigger event in your no-code tool. Set the parameters for your file uploads, such as folder location. Map any additional fields required by the tool. Save or activate your workflow. Test the integration to ensure everything works smoothly. Check your Dropbox for the uploaded files. Adjust settings if needed to refine the integration. You're all set to streamline your uploads with Dropbox in your no-code tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.